Hi, my name is April Schimmer, and I am going to show you my Time Traveler Calculator application. And this is for a lot of people, the businessman, of course, but also the wife and mother and businesswoman and who's traveling with parents or the elderly or disabled, and of course, children, which we love. This is going to help them become better efficient with their time. This is going to calculate based on what kind of transportation they are using to get to the airport, whether or not they're taking a taxi, driving a car, parking a car, an Uber, etc. And this will, if they're being dropped off, it will deduct time, and if they are self-parking, it will add time to their trip. Um, you'll also indicate the number of people in your party, um, and it will allow you automatically, it will either add or subtract based on the number of children and or adults you're traveling with in your party. This is also going to take into consideration how you want us to locate you and find your scenario and your trips. So this allows us to select the airport or the city, or the radar and around me, and also it will give information about the airline you're traveling, what their history is, their delayed history, their on time and delayed flight ratios. It'll also take into account any other travel history that you might have, any weather, any additional pit stops prior to you getting to your gate. This is your preference screen, which allows you to choose the things that you want the application to consider when it is calculating your door-to-door timing on your schedule. This allows for you to utilize time more efficiently in your own life and accomplish more. You can also provide this information by either talking, or texting. This goes through and calculates by adult and or by child. It will add 5 minutes to your commute if you're traveling with a disabled or an elderly adult. And each child, based on age, will add 10 minutes to your travel time. So those are things in consideration. Then, of course, this will bring you over to the calculator where it extracts information. It's forwarded from the other screens and will tell you how much time you need it's going to take based on your travel preferences to get from your door to the gate. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for listening.